how to change the appearance of your Photoshop work model. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you will be able to see this is the toolbar. So you can customize it in either two ways. You can have double view or you can have a single view like this. So this is two ways to customize your workspace over here. Another thing is that you can go to the windows and there are different kinds of options. There is a painting, photography, essential, 3D. So as I click on 3D, and it will work my workforce in a way that I will be able to edit 3D with good quality. So if I go to essential, I can go to the essential. If I want to customize it more, I can go over here and create a new workspace that I know that I can work with. So this is how you can change appearance in your Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.